This is the main restaurant of the hotel, where you will be served your breakfast, lunch and evening meal. There's also an A La Carte restaurant. You'll have to book at reception if you wish to use this facility. I filmed this video prior to the evening meal so that you can see what delicious foods are available for you to try. You are allocated a designated table with waiter service for the duration of your holiday for the evening meal. However, you can sit wherever you want for breakfast and lunch times. The restaurant caters for vegetarian, vegan and gluten-free dietary requirements. They also have many themed evenings with speciality dishes, Tunisian being exceptional. There's also many live cooking stations in the restaurant where you can have fresh pancakes, waffles, fried eggs or omelettes, all made to your liking. During the evening, the live cooking stations consist of roast meats, fresh fish, pasta dishes, stir fries and also pizzas. Soup is available during lunch times and evening meals. The main courses are all kept in piping hot bain-maries or taurines. Fried foods such as chips or king prawns are available from the cooking stations, so they are as fresh as they can possibly be.
Hi, welcome.
Hi.
Welcome in Hotel Marhaba Palace. Tonight it's food Tunisian speciality. Welcome.
Fantastic. Bonjour, ça va?
Bonjour.
Merci.
As you can see, it's a hive of activity in here. The presentation of the food is exceptional. All of the staff are very hard working and your designated waiter cannot do enough for you.
Okay, thank you. How are you? Yeah? You okay?
Here's a selection of delicious antipasti that's available for you to try. What a beautiful colourful display of fruit. Here's some more desserts. Ice cream is also available in a variety of flavours, along with a synthetic cream to pop on the top of these delicious strawberries. My favourites were the profiteroles and also some millefeuille. Those panna cotta desserts are really nice too. Wow, what a lovely cake. As you'll probably have guessed, I've got a very sweet tooth that was easily satisfied with all the scrumptious desserts that are on offer here. Simply delicious. And here's my friend Chrissy, along with some of the entertainers that greet you prior to you going into the restaurant for your evening meal. Oh, and there's me. There's plenty of outdoor seating that overlooks the pool that's in my previous video. These delicious kebabs are ready to be grilled to your liking. You can also have a fresh salad made to your liking, rather than having the readily prepared ones. There you go. Thank you, Chokri, for your amazing service. You're one in a million. Thanks also to James and Hosni for your exceptional service.
Yeah, this man is amazing.
Thank you very much.
He's amazing.
Nice
He looks
cook,
after
nice
you.
drink and nice, beautiful. Thank you very much.